àti the dark upper site in Greek. Ancient posts the spectacular was the spectacle that hermit the unexpected.
Because I'm from Adamawa State, I'm going to list out all of the tribes of Adamawa State with so much joy in my heart. Now let's start from each local government. We have under Madagali local government, we have the Margi people, the Vengo people, the Matakam or Gra, the Sukur people, the Wula people, and the Maga people. I've never heard some of these tribes, even though I'm from Adamawa State. Under the Michika local government, we have the Kamwe, also called the Higi people. Kamwe, also called Higi. You know Higi now. They call them Michika people, but they are Higi or Kamwe. Under my local government, Gombe local government, we have the Ngwaba. Yeah, the owners of Gombe local government. We have Lala, we have Ganda, we have Bura, we have Ngwaba, we have Hona, and even some Cuba people in Gombe local government. If I mentioned your tribe, please drop it in the comment section. Now, under the Song local government, we have the Yungur people, we have the Mboy people, we have the Holma or Zumo people, we have Gudu under Hong local government. Now, under Mobi South local government, we have the Gude people. I think they're the only tribes there. If there are other tribes in the Mobi South, let me know in the comment section. We have Mobi North. They are the Fali. Fali people are like 5 different types. I know there are different types of Fali. So there are different types of Fali under that same local government. But they are all called Fali. If there are other tribes in Mobi South, let me also know. In Mobi North, let me also know in the comment section. Under Gire local government, we have the Tambo, we have the Bata people, and we have the Pongono people or Pongono people. I don't know. Please, I'm sorry if I murdered it. I don't know them. Under Yola North, we have the Laka people. Lakawa is alleged that these people moved in from the Chad, another part of the neighboring country, Cameroon and Chad. I don't know how true it is, but Laka people are indigenous of Yola North.
The unexpected spectre as the fingers whiter lifted upper the petrified the not rune of the runes, the heat and fire spark that accompanied the monks momentarily petrified diggers and hatter for want of appropriate words came the unexpected. They must be coolies or they were Cro-Magnons. However, they are not white. They were not white. The chunks that turning the eyes Hava were Milani. High. These ancestral black blocks, mahogany blocks, were not white. Rolling Hava lungs upon lungs, the skin and peel, yet the still were black blocks and black oaks, dark and chocolate. They were not rune, they were talkative, they were cheer, mingwara, eribu, egina, and ato, the 5 pillars of ALAGWURUIKE.